What if I told you the universe might be recording everything, every particle, every thought inside silent cosmic vaults we call black holes? Welcome to the cosmos, the unknown cosmos, where we explore the facts that sound like science fiction but just might be true. Okay, now getting on to the real topic. What if everything we know, everything we are, is being recorded? Not by a god, not by machines, but by black holes. Yes, you heard it right. The black holes. We all know of them as a mighty destroyers, but what if they are not? What if they are memory banks, quietly archiving we have ever been? So let me clear this to you. A black hole is going to born when a massive star dies, a big supernova explosion. Yes, boom. It collapses under its own gravity. Its atoms crushed, light itself unable to escape. These are one of which are called black holes. But by assuming the theory of Stephen Hawking once raised the question about the data problems. But first, I want you guys to hear the words of the Stephen Hawking explaining the black holes about black holes.
From the outside, you can't tell what is inside a black hole. You can throw television sets, diamond rings, or even your worst enemies into a black hole, and all the black hole will remember is the total mass, and the angular momentum, and electric charge. Quantum mechanics implies that the whole of space is filled with pairs of virtual particles and antiparticles that are constantly materializing in pairs, and then coming together again and annihilating each other. One member of a pair of virtual particles may fall into the hole, leaving the other member without a partner with which to annihilate. The forsaken particle or antiparticle may fall into the black hole after its partner, but it may also escape to infinity, where it appears to be radiation emitted by the black hole. The message of this lecture is that black holes ain't as black as they are painted. They are not the eternal prisons they were once thought. Things can get out of a black hole, both to the outside, and possibly to another universe. So, if you feel you are in a black hole, don't give up. There's a way out.
Well, some of you guys might be and don't understand this recording, but the theme of the Stephen Hawking that I want to bring to this video is that black holes emit radiations. Over time, they evaporate, but if they disappear, what happens to the information inside? Quantum physics says information can never be truly destroyed, but if black holes do erase it, it breaks the very laws of reality. This is the information paradox, a cosmic contradiction that shook the foundation of modern physics. Then came a radical idea: what if all the information that falls into a black hole isn't lost but stored, not inside but on the surface? So let's think it like the event horizon itself. Think of it like a cosmic hard drive. Everything a black hole consumes is encoded in 2D, yet describes a 3D object. This is the holographic principle, and yet it doesn't just apply to black holes, it might apply to the entire universe. Our 3D reality could be a projection of 2D information on a distant surface like a hologram, a simulation, or something even stranger. Who knows? Physicists like Leonard Susskind and Joan Maldesna have shown through mathematics that the holographic principles works. It's not just theory, it's backed by real equations and models. Some even say this means black holes could be storing the blueprints of the galaxies, the memories of the civilizations, maybe even the architecture of consciousness itself. Imagine a civilization advanced enough to decode this data, re- recorrecting stars, worlds, even minds. Is this science fiction or a future we haven't yet reached? It's a chilling thought. If the universe stores everything, then nothing is ever truly forgotten. Black holes becomes the vaults of history, each one a silent librarian, holding the data of entire timelines, including ours. And what if we are inside one? What if the universe is a black hole? So that's it for this video. Just think. So next time you will look up at the sky, just remember the darkness you see might not be empty. It might be full of memories, data, codes. Black holes may not be the end. They might be the archive, the dark code of the cosmos, waiting to be